In 1975, S. Ramakrishnan was studying mechanical engineering when he attended a recruitment test for the Indian Navy. A freak accident there resulted in traumatic quadriplegia, leaving him with a total loss of sensation and paralysis below the shoulders, as well as a slew of physical challenges that he had to live with. His doctor's powerful words of motivation drew Ramakrishnan out of depression, and in 1981, he started Amar Seva Sangam with a nursery school and 5 children. The organization was named after his doctor and mentor, Air Marshal Dr. Amarjeet Singh Chahal. In this part of rural Tamil Nadu, where the problems of poverty were compounded by disability and where parents used to abandon their disabled children, Ramakrishnan faced many challenges in establishing the organization. Amar Seva Sangam's mission is to empower people with disabilities through its Rehabilitation and Development Center. Today, 34 years later, Amar Seva Sangam works in over 600 villages in Tirunelveli district, reaching out to both disabled and non-disabled. The scope of its work in disability has expanded to address advocacy and policy reform while adding to its initial programs. The institution has grown to occupy a 30-acre campus and serves more than 13,000 people with disabilities. It employs 271 people, of whom an impressive 20% are persons with disabilities. Amar Seva Sangam provides rehabilitation services, integrated schooling, both at the nursery and primary levels, health and awareness camps, facilitates the establishment of self-help groups, and provides vocational training. The physiotherapy unit at Amar Seva Sangam offers fully equipped state-of-the-art technology, unique in this part of the country and comparable to international standards. The organization's approach has been to establish a centralized resource center to act as a catalyst for change in the development of persons with disabilities. This is done by involving the village community in the process. Thousands have benefited from the initiatives of Amar Seva Sangam, and its work has demonstrated that village-based rehabilitation can succeed. All this is the vision of one man, S. Ramakrishnan. S. Ramakrishnan, recipient of the Coven Care Ability Special Recognition Award 2015.